Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make a 5-minute breakfast recipe. If you are every morning wondering what to make for breakfast, then this is a very easy and delicious solution, and it is full of protein. So without any further delay, let's begin with the process and let's make this cabbage sandwich. So guys, to make our breakfast really delicious, let's break 2 eggs into a large mixing bowl. And then we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by some salt to taste. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. And now we are going to mix it all up. Guys, we are going to beat the eggs for about a minute. After a minute or once the eggs are nicely beaten, it's time for us to add the main ingredient, which is half cup of finely sliced cabbage, followed by 1/8 cup of finely sliced capsicum, 1/4 cup of grated carrot, and 1/8 cup of green onions. Guys, you can add whatever vegetables you have in your house. If you have mushrooms, you can add mushrooms. You have spinach, you can add spinach. The main ingredient is the cabbage. Rest all ingredients you can add as per your liking. And now let's give everything a good mix and let's keep it aside. And now let's take 2 slices of bread and let's apply butter on the top side of both the breads. And then guys, we're going to take a pan and land the bread buttered side downwards. And now we are going to apply some butter on the top side of this bread. And once we are done with that, then we are going to roast our bread till the time it's nice and golden brown in color from each side. And once the bread is nice and golden brown in color from both sides, let's remove it out in a plate and let's repeat the same process with the second slice of bread. And here guys, I've taken the smallest pan that I had in my house and now I'm greasing it with some butter. Make sure that all the edges of the pan is nicely greased with butter. And now let's take 2 big scoops of our cabbage and egg mix and land it inside this pan. Also guys, I'm going to use the spatula, or you can say a big spoon, to press down on the cabbage. And now we are going to let our egg and cabbage mix cook on a low flame for about a minute. After a minute, it's time for us to flip and look at it. It's looking absolutely delicious. Now we are simply going to cook the other side till the time it is nice and golden in color, and then let's remove it off the flame and land it on top of the bread slice. Guys, I'm also going to add a slice of cheese because I absolutely cannot resist cheese with this sandwich recipe. And now it's time for us to cut the sandwich into half and eat it while it's nice and hot. So do guys make this recipe right away. Make it for breakfast, make it as a light meal, but definitely do make it. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and do let me know what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.